parallel parking.
What? I just did it.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm doing good. Why did you come with Crocs on?
I thought that was just for the beginners.
It don't matter. You gotta take it off from me.
The Crocs?
Yes.
You want me to drive with no shoes?
You can't drive with Crocs on, so that wouldn't. Yeah, that would be the only other option.
Well, you want to know something? I drive with one shoe anyway.
That'd be even better.
But
Yeah.
I didn't know you.
Nope, I can't risk it slipping or getting caught up in there, right? Bam, we're gonna turn to the left. We can't put our hands like that.
Oh, right.
Hold it down. Bam, turn to the left, blinker on. Bam, let's roll. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. You got it.
Hold on, I'm too far.
Left side. There you go. Bam.
There we go.
Just like that. Keep it straight. We're gonna go up here and make a left. Bam, just like that. And we're gonna pull alongside here.
Right
so
here.
head towards that way. Straighten her up. Boom, boom, boom. Straighten out. Boom, boom. Stop. Bam, just like that. Put it in park. Pop the trunk for me.
Down here?
Nope, up top. Bam, all the way to the right. Bam, right there. Let's do it. Bam, come here. 2 spaces. Cone here. So our main objective is to make sure that we're getting close to that first cone or the trunk of the vehicle that's going to be parked ahead of the space that we're getting into. Close meaning no more than a foot away. Our mirrors are going to be almost touching that vehicle. So we want to make sure we're close to this cone and lining it up with our trunk. We're going to start there. Our main objective is to get towards this curb and keep a foot away. So I'm going to get you here. We'll be facing straight. This is shorter than what it's going to be on the road test.
No, can you do it exactly?
I want to do it this way so that you can see how to do it exactly, and you'll have more space to do it then. Okay. Get what I'm saying? Let's try it. Bam. First step. When we're using camera, when we're using mirror. I'm going to explain them both. Back up. As soon as the cone disappears, you have to be stopped. Let's do it. Bingo. Look at the mirror. So you can have a visual cue of what's that going to look like when we're there. Once you're lined up, the wheel has to go immediately to the right. Don't move the car. Hold it there and look for the cone behind us in that driver's side mirror. As soon as you see it, stop.
Am I on the cone?
You're good.
Oh,
keep going.
I'm sorry.
Tap, tap. We was real close to it. Bingo.
Okay, stop.
Straighten up the wheel. When we're using camera, we're looking for our yellow marker to get close to the sidewalk, as close as possible as we can get it. This is where our tire is going to land. If we're looking in our mirror, when that sidewalk intersects or cuts through my door handle. So that is what it's going to look like from your visual if you don't have here. So use either one of them to get closer to that curb.
I think I'm confused, but I'm about to try.
No confusion.
Yeah,
That's what you're here for.
Okay.
Our goal now is to get behind the car that's ahead of us.
Right.
Closer to the curb. Keep the wheel straight. If we're looking in our camera, we're looking at our passenger side yellow marker. Once this gets close to the curb, I want you to stop.
Okay.
That is going to align with looking in our outside mirror and that sidewalk or curb cutting through my door handle.
Okay.
Both of them align.
Okay.
Let's try it.
So do I keep turning or keep
No,
it straight?
you keep it straight until we get close to that curb.
Oh, right, with the yellow line.
Yep.
Okay.
Because once it's clicked, you ain't gonna never forget. Bingo. All the way to the left. Look for curb to straighten up as you back up. As soon as it's straightened, stop. Bingo.
Right here.
Straighten up the wheel.
Sorry.
You're good. And that's parallel parking.
What? I just did it.
Yeah, that was it.
What?
Now we can get closer because that's where the yellow line takes us.
Right.
Right? But we still pass. We're still in the cone. Right? We're going to try it again.
Okay.
Put it in drive. All the way left. Up. All the way left. Ease up. Slow it. Creep forward. There you go. Look for it out here.
Like right here?
Bingo. Let's work.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Explain the steps to me.
Okay, first I gotta make it disappear, right?
There we go.
Let's do that. Make it disappear. Stop.
What's next?
Turn it all the way to the right.
Let's do it. What are we looking for?
The yellow line by the curve?
Nope. Cone behind us in driver's side mirror.
Oh, right.
45-degree angle is the goal of this curve.
Okay. Okay, boom.
Straighten up. What are we looking for? Straight. You turn it. There. We got to get closer to the curve.
Right.
You straighten up now, we'll be in the middle of the street.
Okay. So
What are we
now
looking
I'm
for?
The yellow line by
There
the
we
curve.
go. We're looking for that. Keep it straight.
Right. I don't know why I want to turn it.
Me neither.
Right here?
Closer. Bingo. Now turn left. Look at what it looked like in the mirror. Notice how it intersects through my door handle.
This. Yeah.
Get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. All the way left. Look for the curb to straighten up.
And then stop.
Once it's straightened up, yep, straighten up the wheel. That's it. That ain't straight. Straighten up. Boop, boop, boop. Bam. Done. No more moving. No more up and down. None of that. Do it again.
Don't tell me.
Mm-hmm. Fail. I ain't even have to tell you.
Oh my God, was it supposed to keep you straight? Okay, for real. Okay. I'm confused. I feel like I'm too close. It's too close.
That's perfect.
Okay. See what? Okay, let me try to do it again. Okay, let me try to do it again. Like I want to do it. Like I want to. Maybe I should try backing it too.
We could do that too.
Because I want to make. I need to pass it one time. Let's see.